Hello everyone. Now we will see how to design a small alarm clock application by using VB6. So let me start with VB 6.0. Okay, so now let us see the design part or simply the form design of the small alarm clock. Okay, so if you want to design that, we need very few elements or the very less tools. So I need two labels. So the label 1, I'm going to clear the caption, that's all. I'm not going to change the names here. Label 2 also I'm keeping it clear. And then I want one text box which is accepting the input from the user. So again the text box caption I have kept it clear. Okay, then I need two command button. One is set, the caption I'm writing it as set, and another command button which is nothing but the start button. So I'll write start. Okay, so apart from this I want two timers to be used. So I'm taking timer and setting the interval as 100, that is 100 milliseconds. Similarly take one more timer. Same here, you have to set the interval as 100 only, or else you can change the interval as per your requirement. Okay, so that's all about the form design. Let us move to the coding part. So I will start from writing the code for the set button. So double click on that command button and write down label 2 dot caption equals to text1 dot text. The meaning of this line is that whatever input you are giving in the text box, the same value is copied into the label 2 also. Okay, then the second coding is for command 2. So I will take command 2. Here I am going to enable the first timer. Timer 1 dot enable equals to true. Okay, then I'll write the code for the text box also. So click on the text box and make the event as God focus. Okay, God focus, whenever you are moving your mouse pointer onto this text box, let us see what will happen. So here I'll write text1 dot text equals to, here I'll write 00 colon 00 colon 00. That means I want the time to be displayed in the form of hours, minutes and seconds, which are separated by the colon. Okay, so whenever you are moving your mouse pointer onto this text box, it is going to initially show you that the current time is 0 hours, 0 minutes and 0 seconds. Okay, now let us write the code for timer 1 and timer 2. Double click on timer 1. Here I will write if format. I am going to use the format function here and I am using it on the time. So I wanted the time to be displayed in the format of hours, minutes and seconds. It depends what type of format you want. So I am taking this one. And this particular format I am using for label 2 dot caption. Then okay, so whatever value we have given in the text box, it has been copied to label 2, and whatever the value is there, copied value, okay, it will be displayed in the format of hours, minutes and seconds. Okay, then I'll give beep, that means it will give a beep sound, followed by, if you don't have speakers, so let me pop up a message also. So MSG box, here I'll give wake up. So this will be my message. Okay, and then I'll give end if to show the end of if statement. Along with this, I wanted to write the coding for timer 2 also, the second timer what we have taken. So here I'm taking label 1 dot caption equals to format, I'm sorry, format. Here again I am going to format the time, and that time will be in the form of hours, minutes and seconds. Make sure whatever time format you are taking for timer 1 and timer 2, it should be same. Otherwise, the time will not get matched and we are not going to get the output. Okay, so that's all with the coding part. So let us see what will be the output. I'll close the code window and click on this execute button. So this is, as you can see here, the text box is showing the 0 hours, 0 minutes and 0 seconds and timer 2. Okay, this timer 2 which is going to show the system time. Now my system time is 19 hours 25 minutes and 39 seconds. So it is showing that one. So now let me write the input here. I wanted the alarm to go off at 19 hours 26 minutes 0 second. You just click on set and start. Okay, so what I have done, now here you can see there was a beep sound. So now what happened here is that whatever input I have given, okay, that value has been copied here in the label 2, and according to the code, what it is doing is it is comparing the time of label 1 and label 2. Once both the timing are matching, okay, it is going to give you a beep sound. If you wanted to insert certain songs and all, you can do it by using the control or multimedia control. Okay, if at all on your PC, if you don't have any kind of speakers mounted, so you can just pop up the message. Okay, like here you are getting the message of wake up. Okay, so this is all about designing this small alarm clock. I hope you have understand this one. Thank you.